Hello, everybody. I hope you guys are doing great. Today, we are back with another episode of Just Asking. I'm your host, Zain Ali Salari, and today we are talking about salary in Pakistan. And let's see how many days your salary survives. What's your name?
My name is Ahmed.
Ahmed. What do you do?
I am basically a student.
My name is Mansoor Ahmed.
Mansoor Ahmed.
Yeah.
What do you do?
Yeah, I play football.
You're playing football.
Yeah.
How is it going?
Yeah, like this.
Like this?
Yeah,
Okay, what's your
exactly.
position?
My position is center forward. I play as a
Center forward.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
My name is Hikmat Khan.
Hikmat Khan, what do you do?
Yeah, I'm a student and doing part-time job.
You're doing part-time job as well?
Yeah,
So you must be making some money as well.
yeah, I do make.
Izan.
Izan. Izan, what do you do?
I'm in school. I study.
Taha Fayaz.
Taha Fayaz, what do you do?
I'm a sales and business development manager.
Sales and business development manager. Does your salary last a whole month or it finishes within a week?
Not within a week, but you can say within 10 days.
Within 10 days? How do you manage the rest 20 days?
The rest 20 days, like, I don't know how I'm managing.
I don't
that.
know?
Yeah, I just get it from my father.
You get it from your father, and that's a good source of money, by the way.
I think so. If I am not with the friends,
If you're
it
not
is-
with your
yes.
friends,
so
it stays-
It stays for 30 days. If
Uh-huh.
with friends, it stays for hardly 4 to 5 days.
4 to 5 days? What do you guys do then it finishes in 4 to 5 days?
Just roaming around.
Roaming around?
Yes, and eating,
Eating,
trying
a lot
stuff.
of eating?
Yes, a lot of eating.
A lot of eating.
Oh, I get money from my parents.
You get money from your parents. How long does your pocket money survives? For 1 week, 2 weeks, or a whole month?
Probably for like a week, week and a half at max.
Week and a half?
Yeah.
Then what do you do to finish it all?
I usually spend it on football.
Spend it on football?
Yeah,
Do
yeah.
you love football?
Yeah, I love
What's your
football.
favorite team?
Barcelona.
Barcelona?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good one. If somebody sends you 50,000 rupees right now,
Okay.
what is that one thing you are buying first?
I will fill the fuel tank of my car.
Fuel tank of your car?
Yes, and
How much is the expense of that?
I think it would be probably around 7,000.
7,000 a month?
Yes.
No.
7,000.
To fill it up?
Yes.
To fill it
Yes,
up?
to fill it
Ooh,
up. It
nice.
is like it's 660 cc, so 7,000.
So somebody is sending you the money, you are filling your tank
and
up.
then all the other money goes to like eating and roaming
Eating,
around.
going out with
Yes.
your friends?
Yes.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
I'll take my friend with me to the Murray.
To the Murray?
Yeah.
You're buying them a good vacation?
Of course, I'll book a
That's
flat.
Nice. You'll
and
book
we
a
will-
flat?
Yeah, we will grab some meat, some food.
Grab
with us,
some meat, food
and-
with you,
Yeah, and some smoke.
and you'll smoke as well.
Yeah, and we'll
And then
enjoy
you will
for
have
the whole
fun.
night.
Probably I'd save the money to
You'd
buy
save the money.
something bigger. You know,
Something
save it for
bigger
something
later?
simple. Yeah.
That's a good thought.
Football shoes.
Football shoes.
To be honest, I would not like to buy something from that money. I would like to invest that money in my startup.
Ah, investor you are.
Yeah.
What's your startup about?
I have started you can say, staffing agency.
Staffing agency.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's assorted staffing. We provide staff for different, you can say,
companies
professions.
and groups
Yeah.
and that's good one.
Now, recently I'm purchasing my BMW S1000 RR. So for that,
Do you have enough money to buy it?
yes, I got for some amount from my elder brother.
Oh,
इंजॉय करता है
enjoy करेगा. क्या करेगा enjoy में?
यार बस तमाशे करता है
तमाशे करेगा जवानी में.
यस यस
I want to live this young life. If you could remove one thing from your monthly expenses, what would it be?
One thing, you know, when we get bored, then
You get bored?
Yeah, we don't have anything to do, so we try to do anything like with our
Anything.
money. Yeah,
Anything.
So-
Purchasing,
Yeah.
going out,
That's the
shopping,
thing.
dining out.
yeah.
So you would want to remove it?
yeah, I want to remove it.
You would want to remove it.
I think it would be the overly priced packages of jazz.
Jazz,
Yes.
you are utilizing and
Yes.
using the
Internet packages of
internet
SIM.
packages of Jazz.
Yes.
Oh, you are.
They are pretty expensive.
Then how would you use this internet?
I would like
Shift to
consider
another-
shifting to another
Another
network.
network?
Yes.
Ah, good.
Yeah, it would be my friends.
Your friends?
Probably, yeah.
They are expensing you a lot?
Yeah.
You spend a lot of them?
Yeah, I'll spend that money on myself.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I'll go to gym. I'll buy some clothes.
Oh, nice.
And,
So you must be wasting a lot of money on your friends.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
is this a
I'm tired of my
waste?
friend.
You're
Yeah.
tired of your friends.
Of course, it's a waste of time. It's a waste of money.
It's a waste of time. It's a
Yeah.
waste of money.
At the end, money is friend.
The guy is very clear. He has a focus now because he's wasting time. and money on his friends.
Yeah.
Okay,
Probably transport.
transport, it costs you a lot.
Yeah.
Are you using Uber, bike here, or what are you consuming?
वैसे तो मैं फ्यूल की बात कर रहा था, अम्मी अबू ही छोड़ते हैं.
अम्मी अबू ही छोड़ते हैं, so your parents stops you.
Yeah.
That's good, man.
To be honest, nothing.
Nothing? You would want to go with your flow?
Yeah, because every month there's anything new. So
There's something
yeah,
new and that consumes your money.
Exactly.
Are you a money saver or the guy who says Allah khair karega?
अल्लाह खैर.
Allah khair karega, always.
अल्लाह खैर करेगा.
Allah khair
Allah khair
karega.
karega.
We'll manage. Somehow we'll manage.
The person who says Allah khair karega.
Always?
Always.
Always. Allah. And then Allah does khair, right?
Yeah. Exactly.
At the end of the day, it works out.
It works out.
It works out. Doesn't matter if you have money or not.
Exactly.
At the end of the day, if you have that right tawakkul and a
Exactly.
good faith, it works out. Allah khair karega. Are you a money saver or a person who says Allah khair karega?
No, yeah, Allah khair karega.
Allah khair karega. That is we all do, right?
Currently, I cannot save money.
Cannot save money because you're not
I don't
making
have that
much.
quality.
Oh.
I want to control on my money. I want to save my money, and I want to have some savings.
You know you have to save it, but you cannot.
Yeah, but I cannot.
Now, recently I'm just enjoying my life because
You're not saving money.
no, because I have 3 elder brothers, so they
So
can
they gave you money and then
they
you
give
have
me money,
pocket
so
money.
I can distribute with friends and enjoy it.
Okay.
So that.
What is the most Pakistani way of saying I don't have money, I'm broke?
चलो यार मैं देखता हूँ मैं कुछ करता हूँ.
चलो यार मैं देखता हूँ मैं कुछ करता हूँ. That is the most Pakistani way, right?
पैसे नहीं है.
पैसे नहीं है मेरे पास नहीं तू दे दे तू दे दे. That's good, man. What is the most Pakistani way of saying I'm broke?
कल आऊँगा.
कल आऊँगा
कल आऊँगा.
कल आऊँगा. Say
आ रहा हूँ.
मेरे को पैसे कोई नहीं थे उस्ताद जी, माफ करियो.
मेरे को पैसे नहीं थे उस्ताद जी माफ करो. What is the most Pakistani thing to say I'm broke?
नहीं ये तो बोरिंग है.
ये तो boring है.
हाँ, ये
Then
boring
what would you say if you don't have money and some friends ask you, do you have it? Then what would you say?
है. उनसे पूछूंगा वो खिला रहे हैं कि नहीं खिला.
उनसे पूछूंगा कि वो खिला रहे हैं. So are they going to spend on
Yeah.
you or not? Ah, that's good one.
यार वो तो बस मजबूर थे लेकिन उसके लिए मेहनत चाहिए.
मेहनत नहीं चाहिए. No filters needed. Tell me in the comment section. What is the most Pakistani way of saying I don't have money? I'm broke. What if you get 50,000 rupees right now in your bank account? What is that first thing you would want to buy from that money? In the comment section.